Next is covalent bond. Second type of bond is covalent bond. त्याच्या शब्दातच त्याचा अर्थ आहे. को म्हणजे एकमेकाला मदत करणे, कोऑपरेट करणे. आपण म्हणतो ना कोऑपरेट, त्यातला जो को आहे म्हणजे सहकार्य करणे, त्याच्यावर आधारितच हा बॉन्ड आहे कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्ड. वी नो दॅट बॉन्ड इज फॉर्म फॉर completion of octet. For example, formation of HCl. Formation of HCl. In HCl, that means hydrochloric acid. Here one atom of hydrogen and one atom of chlorine is present. We know that hydrogen having only one electron in its valence shell, and chlorine, atomic number of chlorine is 17. Its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. That means in first cell 2 electron, second cell 8 electron, and in third cell 7 electron. Then I have to write here diagrammatic representation. Hydrogen has only one electron in its valence shell. That electron is denoted by dot hydrogen plus chlorine. Chlorine has 7 electron in its valence shell. Valence shell means outermost shell, म्हणजे शेवटची कक्षा. क्लोरीनच्या शेवटच्या कक्षेमध्ये 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन आहेत. टोटल क्लोरीनकडे 3 कक्षा आहेत. पहिल्या कक्षेमध्ये 2 इलेक्ट्रॉन, दुसऱ्या कक्षेमध्ये 8 इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि तिसऱ्या कक्षेमध्ये 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन. ड्यूरिंग फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बॉन्ड ओनली व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन पार्टिसिपेट इन फॉर्मेशन ऑफ बॉन्ड. बॉन्ड तयार होताना फक्त व्हॅलन्स इलेक्ट्रॉन बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन मध्ये भाग घेतात. म्हणून क्लोरीनचे फक्त आपण 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन घेऊया. क्लोरीन 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन, indicated by, these 7 electrons are indicated by blue dot. These are the 7 electron present in valence shell of chlorine. Then क्लोरीनचं ऑक्टेट कंप्लीट करण्यासाठी फक्त एका इलेक्ट्रॉनची गरज आहे, आणि हायड्रोजनचं डुप्लेट पूर्ण करण्यासाठी अजून एका इलेक्ट्रॉनची गरज आहे. मग इथे काय होतं, हायड्रोजन स्वतःचा 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन आणि क्लोरीनकडून 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन घेतो. मग क्लोरीन काय करतो, क्लोरीनला पण एका इलेक्ट्रॉनची गरज आहे, क्लोरीन पण हायड्रोजनकडून 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन घेतो. अशा प्रकारे म्युच्युअल ट्रान्सफर ऑफ म्युच्युअल शेअरिंग ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन पेअर, that is called as covalent bond. Hydrogen, it's 1 electron. Hydrogen accept 1 electron from chlorine and complete its duplet. Then chlorine again accept 1 electron from hydrogen and complete its octet. In this way, bond is formed by mutual sharing a pair of electron by both species. That is called as covalent bond. This is the covalent bond. What is the definition of covalent bond? Bond is formed by mutual sharing a pair of electron by both species called as covalent bond. Then one of the most important condition for formation of covalent bond is formed only when both atoms or both elements having approximate similar electronegativity. जर कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्ड केव्हा तयार होतो? जर दोन्ही एलिमेंटची इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्हिटी जवळजवळ सेम असेल, अशाच एलिमेंटमध्ये कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्ड तयार होतो. दिस इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट कंडिशन फॉर कोव्हॅलंट बॉन्ड. देन these are the two types of bond, ionic bond and covalent bond. You are already studied in 10th standard, ionic bond and covalent bond. Second example, formation of hydrogen molecule. Formation of hydrogen molecule. We know that hydrogen has only one electron in its valence shell. It is denoted by dot. This is first hydrogen atom. Then second hydrogen atom. It also have only one electron in its valence shell. Then by mutual sharing a pair of electron by both hydrogen, this hydrogen accept one electron from another hydrogen. Similarly, this hydrogen accept another electron, give a share another electron from the another hydrogen. In this way, bond is formed, and this bond is called as covalent bond. Covalent bond. These are the two types of bond. Then in 11th standard, there are again two types of bond, coordinate bond and metallic bond. The next point is oxidation and reduction. Next is oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation and reduction. First, oxidation. First of all, what is meant by oxidation? Oxidation means combination of any element with oxygen, or reaction of any element with oxygen is called as oxidation. For example, carbon when react with oxygen gas to form carbon dioxide gas. This is one of the oxidation reaction. In oxidation reaction, another reaction of oxidation, magnesium. Magnesium when react with oxygen to form magnesium oxide. This is also oxidation reaction. In both reaction, it is clearly indicate that reaction of any element with oxygen is called as oxidation. In oxidation, product is oxide. In first reaction, carbon dioxide is formed. In second reaction, magnesium oxide is formed. Therefore, we can define oxidation, reaction of any element with oxygen is called as oxidation. Another definition of oxidation is combination of any element with electronegative element. For example, magnesium when react with fluorine, fluorine is more electronegative to form magnesium fluoride. To form magnesium fluoride is also oxidation reaction. Then from this reaction we can define oxidation in two ways. First way is combination of an element with oxygen is called as oxidation, or combination of an element with more electronegative element called as oxidation. Similarly, reduction. Second is reduction. Exactly opposite to oxidation. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or combination of an element with oxygen. Reduction means combination of an element with hydrogen. For example, sodium when react with hydrogen gas to form sodium hydride. Sodium hydride, NaH. In this reaction, addition of hydrogen to the sodium, therefore this is reduction reaction. Therefore oxidation and reduction. Reduction means combination of an element with hydrogen, or reaction in which reactant combined with hydrogen is called as reduction. Another example, calcium when react with hydrogen to form calcium hydride. This is the oxidation and reduction reactions. This is all about your chemical change, chemical bond, then how to write chemical reaction. Thank you.